Hi, my name is Jamie, and I'm a counseling intake specialist here at CCCS of Buffalo. Today we will learn how to submit your online application for a debt management plan. You will need to have a few things in order to begin your online application. 1, your monthly gross and net income. 2, estimates of your monthly household expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, auto lease or loan, groceries, etc. 3, creditor account information, including balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. If you do not have your account information, we can pull your Experian credit report for you. This is a soft inquiry and will not impact your credit score. Visit our website at consumercreditbuffalo.org. This is the page you will be brought to. Look for Free Financial Counseling in the top right corner. Click on Get Started. Click on Register. You will then create a password for your account. You will be taken to our welcome page. Click on Create Your Online Counseling Application. On this page, you can explain why you are considering a debt management plan with CCCS. By filling out this page, you are allowing CCCS access to your Experian credit report to obtain your debt information. Remember, this is a soft inquiry and will not affect your credit score. The next pages will ask you about your monthly income and your credit cards and loans, including balances, minimum monthly payments, and your interest rates. Lastly, you will be asked about any monthly expenses you have. Click Finish and you are done. You are now on your way to financial freedom. You will receive a welcome email from us letting you know that we received your application. We will process it within 2 to 4 business days and send you an assessment and assign you a counselor to speak with. Thank you for choosing CCCS. We look forward to working with you.